Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dock magnification on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, the steps are exactly the same. By default, when you move your cursor over the dock, usually located at the bottom of your screen, you might notice that nothing happens. The icons just stay still, without that smooth zoom-in animation. That's because dock magnification is turned off. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Start by opening System Settings. You can do this by clicking the System Settings icon in your dock, or by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and choosing System Settings from the menu. Once you're in System Settings, look at the sidebar on the left and scroll down until you find Desktop and Dock. Click on it. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see all the customization options for your dock. The first two settings you'll notice are size and magnification. The size slider controls how large the dock appears in general. You can move it left or right to make the dock smaller or larger, adjust it based on your preference. Right below that, you'll see the magnification option. If magnification is turned off, you won't get that zoom effect when hovering over icons. To enable it, simply toggle it on, then drag the magnification slider to control how strong the zoom effect should be. Move the slider to the right for a stronger magnification effect. Icons will zoom in more dramatically when you hover over them. If you want a more subtle effect, slide it to the left for a gentler zoom. Once it's enabled, hover your cursor over any app in the dock and you'll see the magnification effect in action. And that's it. You've just turned on dock magnification on your Mac. Super simple, and it adds a nice visual touch to your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.